Hello, welcome back to From Simmer
To Sizzle. I'm Nikki.
and I'm Jacob.
And today we're making fried chicken with mashed potatoes, cheddar mashed potatoes, and we're making a drink to go with.
What drink?
Well, we're gonna make an iced tea Long Island, right?
Other way around. Long Island iced tea.
Oh, we're making a let's just start it over. A Long Island iced tea and Timolade.
What exactly is Timolade?
Well, I'll tell you what Timolade is. It's lemonade and tea and a little splash of sugar.
Most people, I think, call that an Arnold Palmer.
Yeah, I don't do that.
Okay. Our chicken, the fried chicken, the main part of this video is going to be Tuscan-style fried chicken. I got the recipe from Munchies. It's a little bit spicy. It's made with like Mediterranean ingredients, Aleppo pepper, Calabrian chilies, fennel seeds, and it's served with lemon wedges.
How do we make it?
So we've had this marinating in buttermilk and spices overnight. We got a couple pounds of chicken, skin on. We had 4 cups of buttermilk, a tablespoon of Aleppo pepper, which you can just order online, some crushed fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of crushed fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of Calabrian chili paste, 2 rosemary sprigs, 1 head of garlic, a tablespoon of black pepper, and 3 tablespoons of salt.
There you go.
So we are not going to fry this yet though. We're going to do our other stuff first. We're going to get our mashed potatoes and our drinks done first, then we'll come back around to this. Alright, let's make our drinks.
What are we gonna make first?
I don't know, we'll probably start with your drink.
Okay.
So we've got our tea here, already brewed up, and we've got some lemon juice. We juiced a couple lemons, and we've got about a cup worth of juice, a cup of sugar. I'm just gonna mix it in here. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. I'm gonna stir this up first. Alright, add the tea then. That's probably good. I don't know.
Looks good to me.
Yeah, I think so. I have no idea. Alright, you want to try it?
Yeah. Stir it up one more time. Yep, that's good.
Alright.
Some good Timolade.
Now, you never explained why you call it Timolade.
Oh, I went on a cruise with somebody and, they got drunk. And they were like, hey, Nikki, go get me some Timolade. And I'm like, what the heck is that? And they're like, a little bit of tea, a little bit of lemonade. So I went and I did my thing. Then the next day, I brought her some more Timolade. She's like, what is this? And I said, it's Timolade. She goes, I called it that? I'm like, yeah. So I don't get drunk, because you don't remember what the crap that you do.
Anyway, speaking of getting drunk, I'm going to make my drink.
Oh, yeah.
This is a Long Island iced tea. It's a little bit of everything.
Oh, jeez.
So, just start moving the bottles over one at a time. We're going to start with rum. It's half an ounce of basically
All of this?
everything. Yeah. Half an ounce.
This is all alcohol.
Yeah. Well, not
For
all of
this?
it. Yeah, that's just some cola. Half an ounce of tequila.
Triple sec.
Yep. Okay, half an ounce of triple sec.
Next we got gin.
Yep. Half an ounce of gin.
Next we have vodka.
Mm-hmm.
This is a drink you gotta be careful with. And then we got some
Sour mix.
Sweet and sour mix.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like lemonade.
It is. It's just lemon juice and sugar.
Oh, that's not alcohol?
No.
Oh, okay.
Alright. This is 1 full ounce. Alright.
Cola.
No, we're not going to add that yet.
Oh.
If we add it to the shaker, it's going to explode.
Oh yeah, because it's carbonated.
All right, then we shake this up.
Yeah, do that.
Okay.
Good job.
Okay. Strain it into here. We're just going to top it with some of our cola.
You can have that one. I don't want to try that one.
Yeah? All right.
Is it strong?
Kinda. It's not that bad. I mean, it's like half cola, so
And there you have
pretty
it.
good. Yeah. So those are our drinks.
What are we doing next?
Making our mashed potatoes.
Making taters.
Yeah. So I think we got like 5 pounds of potatoes. We chopped them up, peeled them, and boiled them. Did all that ahead of time.
This is 5 pounds.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, so now we're gonna get to mashing them and mixing everything in. So this is our hand masher. How much milk? We're gonna mix in, what is this, 1.5 cups? Looks like it. So we're gonna start mashing our stuff and mixing this in. We got 1.5 cups of milk, like 1/2 cup of sour cream, full stick of butter. This is probably a cup or 2 of cheese. Salt and pepper to taste. So that's it, let's get to work. You wanna mash them?
I mashed them.
Okay. Yeah, it takes a lot of force, so we're just gonna get started with the hand masher. We have a hand mixer behind you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna just get it started
I was gonna say,
and then move to that.
5 pounds is gonna be a lot.
Yeah.
And just make it. All right. Just like that. And shake it off. Starting to look like mashed potatoes.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't take much. Would you like to switch?
Yeah.
Okay. Got it started, so now we're gonna switch to our hand mixer to get it nice and evenly mixed.
That's not going anywhere. This is hot.
Yeah. It is. Oh boy.
Mashed potatoes.
All right. Yeah, that'll work. Take over there. I'm gonna keep.
I'm gonna make
stuff
a
in.
mess.
Yeah,
I
probably.
do not want to make a mess.
Don't worry about it.
This is a workout.
Do you want to switch?
No.
All right. Yeah.
We're using the whole thing?
Might as well.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
That's fine.
Okay.
Think that's good?
Yeah.
All right. Try it.
Very good.
Yeah, not bad. Need a little more salt.
Yeah.
All right, those are our mashed potatoes. All right, time to fry the chicken.
Yes.
So we're gonna take a couple pieces of our chicken out. We're not gonna do all of them, but we're gonna take them out, toss them into flour. We've got 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. We're gonna toss it in the flour mixture, then put it on the rack to kind of knock off any of the excess buttermilk or flour, and then it goes into the fryer. I think it's about 350, I don't remember, and it's got to go in there for 8 to 10 minutes. We got to flip it every once in a while until it's about 155 degrees internal, and then we take it out, put put it on our other tray, which is lined with paper towels. And while it's sitting there, we're going to toss some of our seasoning on there.
Yes.
So here we've got a tablespoon of like coarsely ground fennel. We've got a tablespoon of red pepper flakes and a teaspoon of salt. So we're just going to toss that on the chicken while it's still hot, and then it'll be ready to serve. We'll cut up some lemon wedges and then ready to eat. So let's get into it. I'll take the chicken out, put it in there.
Okay.
Toss it.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Sometimes I forget.
Okay, there we go.
Like that?
Yeah, just keep tossing it. Make sure it's nice, evenly coated all around. Looks good. Go ahead and shake some of that excess flour off and then put it onto the rack. Oh, you're fine. All right. Ooh, it's falling out. There we go.
That's a big old piece of
What?
chicken. You got any chicken legs in there?
No, we don't.
You got ranch?
Ranch?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got ranch.
I like ranch.
Yeah. All right. So that's all the chicken we're gonna do for the show. We're gonna do the rest of this chicken for dinner. Yeah. So now they're ready to go into the fryer.
I do it.
Okay. Yeah. So we're just gonna put these in our wire rack, let them fry for a couple minutes, and just like with everything else we've done frying, you can do it in a Dutch oven or something on the countertop as long as you have enough oil and it's at the right temperature. Yeah. Go ahead and drop those.
It's stuck.
There we go. All right. In the meantime, since we're not doing these right now, I'm just going to move these off the counter, and we'll go ahead and cut up some lemon wedges.
Oh, give me what that was.
Yeah. And cut it in half again.
Check.
All right.
Got the wedge?
Yeah, it's a pretty big wedge, but yeah, these are what we'll serve with the chicken. We'll just squeeze it on the chicken before we eat.
Oh,
Yep.
but the ranch.
Sure, we'll get some ranch too. While the chicken's cooking, we'll go ahead and get some plates ready.
I dare to eat
Just
this.
try.
He's done a bad thing.
Does he do? I thought he wouldn't like it. That's so bad for your teeth. Was it good? That smells good.
Yeah.
Fried chicken.
All right, we finished frying our chicken. We just got one piece here. We cut it in half, so yeah, we've got our chicken ready. We've got our mashed potatoes. We've got our drinks. We're ready. So we're just gonna squeeze the lemon onto.
Oh, I just supported it.
Yep. Do you want your ranch?
Yes,
There you go.
thank you. Gotta have ranch. Jacob said you don't have to have ranch.
I mean, fielder's choice.
I just want
This chicken's still kind of hot, so. I've already finished my chicken.
Here, you can have some more.
Sure.
It was good. I just picked it. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to cut little pieces off of it.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
I almost finished my drink.
You need to be careful with that drink. You need some Timolade. Cheers. And that's our show.
Thanks for watching From Simmer.
To Sizzle. If you got anything you'd like to see us make, put it in the comments below.
That was it. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.